5th subject English, lesson number 33, Rangoli. After listening Rangoli's name, what you are thinking? I think in front of your eyes, lot of different patterns and designs, and also with that filled with lot of colors, and it looks very beautiful. Yes, it is. I think yes. Here, see in your textbook also some yellowish brown color background is given, and then on that, with the help of white rangoli, lot of shapes and designs are drawn, and it looks very beautiful. So in a very happy mood or interesting mood, we are going to learn our lesson rangoli, means details about the rangoli. Look in our book. Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art forms of India. What's this? Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art form of India. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words, means it is made up with two words. Rang meaning colors and avali meaning a row or a vines. Rangoli means it is made up with color and lines or row or vines. Rangoli is the art of making designs or patterns on the walls or the floor of the house. It is the one most interesting art or of which art? It is an art of making designs or patterns. Where we are drawing the designs or patterns means rangoli. We are drawing that on the walls and in front, mostly on the floor of the house. Using finely ground white powder and different colors, rangoli is made or designed with the help of finely ground white powder and different colors. In many households, rangoli designs are drawn in the courtyard or in front of the doorstep every day. In many households, rangoli's designs are drawn in the courtyard or in front of the doorstep every day. Courtyard means the place, empty place in front of our house or aside our house. The most interesting feature of rangoli is that it is drawn afresh every day. Rangolis are drawn every day freshly. Just as you cleanse and adorn yourself every day, you clean your house and decorate it with a rangoli every day. Listen, you also cleanse and adorn yourself every day. Like that same way, you clean your house and decorate it with a rangoli every day. Decorate means to make beautiful. On special occasion, you wear special clothes and ornaments. In the same way, special magnificent designs are made on the occasion of feast and festival. See, if there is any occasion or special things, that time you wear different clothes, special clothes, and also with that some ornaments also. In the same way, rangolis are also made in a different or special magnificent designs in front of the houses when there is any festival of or feast. In next paragraph, we are saying about design and patterns. The traditional form of Rangoli makes use of designs and motifs based on nature. Motifs means the things used again and again or repeated it. In traditional form, the traditional forms of Rangoli makes use of designs and they always or mostly use repeated designs or patterns and that always based on the nature, such as mango, creepers, lotus, and other flowers, swans, peacocks, fish, and other animals, and so on. It means Rangoli designs are made up with the things whatever we are seeing in the nature, like as mango, creeper, lotus, different flowers. Also, with that, birds, swans, peacocks, as well as fish and animal also. Rangoli designs also include geometrical figures and shapes. Not only designs but other designs, not only natural designs, but with the help of that, geometrical patterns and shapes also used in rangolis. Nowadays, other fancy designs and freehand drawings are also used to make beautiful rangolis. Lot of fancy designs and freehand drawings also used nowadays. For why? For it you make the rangolis very beautiful. How it is made? We learn about design and patterns of rangolis. Now we must see how rangoli is made. So, how it is made? Usually, rangoli lines are made using coarse grained powders such as sand, marble dust, sawdust, or rice grain powder, as it provides a good grip while making the straight or curving lines. For making a straight or curving lines, rangoli is used. But rangoli is made up with what? It's made up by using a coarse grained powder. Grain powders of what? Grain powders of sand, marble dust, sawdust, or rice grain powder. Anything we can use for that. And why it is used? It is used to making a straight or curving lines or making many designs. It is important to draw unbroken lines of even thickness to maintain the beauty of the design. While making a design or to maintain the beauty of the rangoli or that design, there must be important to draw unbroken lines. The skill to do so comes with a lot of practice. This skill or to maintain a beauty of the design or to draw unbroken line, this skill is not very easy. This skill comes to practice a lot or doing the same thing again and again. With the help of practice, we can do or we can acquire that skill. The rangoli can then as the rangoli can then be left as a beautiful drawing or you can fill it with bright colored powder. After making a shape or pattern or design of the rangoli, you can be left as it is. It also looks very beautiful. And if you want to keep as it is, you can keep that. Otherwise, if you want to color that, You also fill it with bright colored powder. It is customary to prepare a special background for rangoli with geru or wet red ochre to so that sorry it is customary to prepare a special background for rangoli with a geru or wet red ochre so that the white design stands out very well. Also, usually a grid of rows and columns of dots is used to give a proper frame and shape to the design. It is a customary prepare means according to the customs or usual practice of a particular society. For that sake, a yellowish, orange or brown colored background is also used, and after that, that is for that background, lot of people use geru, and on that white design stands out very well, or it looks very beautiful on that background. Also, it is usually a grid of rows and columns of dots is also used to give a proper frame and shape to the design. Up to here, we learn about Rangoli. Remaining part of lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.